Alright everybody, welcome back. It's been another hot minute, but today I want to show you guys something exciting, which is these wire brushes. This might not be the right technical term. This is a wire brush. It is a drill attachment. As you can see, the impact tip right here. So this is a forward wire brush, and then I also have a sideways wire brush. Both have the impact attachments. And these are very, very useful. I'm going to give you an example of that right now. I've been using some of these at work. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my drill out of my bag. Take out my tip here. And so I have an extension here, and I'm going to show you guys an example of just a garbage box that I got from years ago. So basically you use these to remove the paint off of metal objects with paint. That's one of the instances that you can use these. And this is for like if you want to add a ground bar or something in here. It's required to remove the paint off of the back to get a good bond, good solid ground connection. So what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and put this into your drill. And I'm going to make sure this is locked in. I haven't used this one in a while, so I forget how to use that one. They're all different, but if you're using a deep box, you're not really going to be able to get your drill inside of the box, so that's why this extension comes in handy. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys what this looks like and how to use it. So as you can see, there's no paint removed in here right now. Let me just give you guys a good example on the back, but normally you'd be doing this on the inside of the box. So just put this in a place where it's got a solid connection here. A solid place. So basically you're gonna wanna put it like between your legs or something like that so it doesn't go spinning or anything like that. So as you can see, all you're gonna do is put this in the drill, and then I'm gonna turn this up a little bit. So put this in the drill, and then you're just gonna hit the trigger, and then it's gonna start removing the paint. It's actually amazing, so watch this. So as you can see, it's removing the paint right there. This one might not be the best setting. I'm gonna try this other one. This one might be not the best at the moment, but let me try the sideways one. This one should be a little bit better. I'm just gonna go this way. As you can see, it's just tearing it up. Here's a little mini example, but basically you just put your ground bar on the solid metal where the paint is removed, tap the holes and stuff like that. But this is just a quick example. Otherwise, you'd have to be like hand filing this or something with a file, which can take up to like 10 or 20 minutes. Don't ask me how I know that. But anyways, you're probably gonna wanna be using safety glasses or something like that to protect your eyes in case one of these little pieces of metal flies out or something like that, as I just did not do. So anyways, very, very useful tool. This isn't sponsored or anything, but if you are in the market, it's a very, very handy tool when you need it. So make sure to look into that if that's something that you're looking for. But anyways, yeah, the paint goes flying a little bit. But anyways, yeah, it's just super, super helpful. But I just thought I show you guys this tip if you guys haven't ever seen these or used these before. I don't know if wire brush is the correct term. Maybe you will know the correct term, but they are amazing, and hopefully this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.